Hi there, I just got my budget tripod from Shopee, the 3120A, and let's check out the quality of a 16 ringgit tripod. It took 2 days to arrive after I made the purchase, which is pretty fast. The packaging came with bubble wrap of about 2 layers. Right now I just hope there are no broken legs or parts, as I have seen with some comments on Shopee for this price range of tripod. This is the overall look of the box with specifications of the tripod, such as the 3-way pen head for a more versatile video angle, 4 section legs of different height adjustments, quick level lock, and equipped with rubber leg tip. Inside the box, the tripod is stored in a sort of a pouch bag, and the smartphone holder is placed out of it. I think this is to avoid scratches with the tripod during shipping. I believe the frame is made from steel and supported by plastic on the sides and bottom. There is a silicone padding on the top and a soft padding at the bottom for a better grip. Alright, now let's have a look at the tripod. Overall, the finishing of the tripod is just average with plastics, but I wouldn't complain about it because I have no high expectation based on this price point. In the end, I got what I paid for. I will move on to adjust all the knobs to test and feel how it works. The top leveling isn't really smooth, but it is alright. With this, you can pan 360 degrees, which can come in handy. This is the screw where you put the phone holder on it, and behind is the knob to tighten the phone holder. I will show you the correct way to install the phone holder. Position this pointy steel and the tripod pan handle facing you. Then press the phone holder against the surface so you could tighten the knob on the other side. Okay, now it is all set. I just need to set up the legs before I place the phone for testing. Here we go. I'm using the iPhone XS for this test. Firstly, ensure the phone is securely rested on the holder. Then, pull the silicone tip to fit the phone and adjust accordingly. I will try to test panning around to see how the movement goes. The panning is smooth and I kinda like it actually. What do you guys think? Next, this also supports taking pictures and video vertically, which is ideal for Facebook Live or TikTok.
However, this is my first time setting up and it takes some time for me to find the sweet spot
to lock the knob for a vertical angle as it can't really support the weight. So what I do is to place the phone slightly about 80 degrees, so when it drops, it will be about 90 degrees vertical. At last, it is done. Extending the legs are pretty straightforward. Just unclip the quick lever lock and the legs will automatically be extended. And clip it back to lock its position. The full height after everything extended is about 110 cm. Thanks to its 4-section legs, you can adjust the height to your preference. Overall, I feel this is a decent tripod and will be able to get my task done. If you do have this tripod, do share your experience with me. As always, thanks for watching, and if this video helps you in any way, appreciate it if you can hit the like button. See you.